Let's move now to the latest developments in the Meyiwa Murder Trial, which is back in court next week. You'll remember, of course, the soccer star gunned down in Vosloorus in 2014 at the family home of his then-girlfriend, Kelly Khumalo. Now, in a letter seen today by eNCA, the National Prosecuting Authority has issued what they call an amended directive, and it says a decision to prosecute those accused in the second docket. Remember, there were two police dockets, namely those who were in the house at the time of the murder, is going to be made after the current trial has concluded. So it seems that the second docket has not been dismissed, because the second docket has also been moved to the jurisdiction of where the current trial is taking place. Slindelo Masikane explains.
Docket 375 was introduced by the defence for accused 1 to 4 during cross-examination of the state's first witness. This docket alleges those in the house have a case to answer to. Advocate Slindelo Masikane for accused 5 told the court that she is going to need some clarity from the NPA.
I want to know the status of the people mentioned in Exhibit C, my lord. Whether they will be coming to testify as suspect witness or as accused witness.
A letter by the NPA states the DPP of the North Gauteng High Court will be the one to make a decision on the second docket at the conclusion of the current trial.
It is prejudicial to the state to have two separate trials, and the reason why it's prejudicial is you have all your witnesses in both cases testifying for a second time. So it's never advisable to do it, but the state has now done it, and unfortunately they've now made their beds and they have to sleep in it.
Kelly Khumalo's lawyer says she will be making an application to return to the courtroom on a watch brief.
The state needs to call the eyewitnesses with immediate effect, because the structure of the state's outline of the case to go to the investigation and then to go to the witnesses, almost, it's broadcast live. So for me, I would say that it is correct. If there are any flaws in the 636 docket, it is within the state's prerogative.
Meyiwa's brother insists the 5 men on trial are being framed.
I don't think it's been able but man, in the job, I'm being often done a little dogot.
Okay, I can't. The defense for accused 1 to 4 says the NPA is on a fishing expedition. TT Tobane maintains that the state is clutching at straws and that there's no case against his clients. The trial is expected to resume on the 5th of September. Slindelo Masikane, Johannesburg.